Most dealership websites already have everything they need to generate more revenue, but the way they are built prevents search engines from understanding them, and when Google can't understand your website, it can't send you buyers. Most dealer websites rely on templates, page builders, and heavy plugins. They look good to humans, but underneath the design, the structure is chaotic. Disconnected pages, duplicate content, broken information signals. To Google and AI search systems, the site becomes difficult to interpret. Search has changed. Google is no longer just indexing pages, it is mapping digital infrastructure. It looks for clean signals, structured relationships, and clear information pathways. Dealerships that organize their website architecture correctly become dramatically easier to rank. The opportunity is simple. You don't need more traffic. You need Google to understand your existing pages. When your website structure becomes clear, search engines can instantly connect your inventory, services, and location signals. This dramatically increases visibility without increasing ad spend. The process focuses on three things. First, repairing the site structure so search engines can crawl it efficiently. Second, connecting related pages into a clear information network. Third, optimizing the way Google reads vehicle pages, service pages, and local market signals. Once the architecture becomes readable, search engines begin prioritizing the dealership. Dealers who fix their site infrastructure often see dramatic improvements in visibility. More inventory pages indexed, more service searches captured, and more buyers discovering the dealership organically. Search visibility is no longer about publishing more content. It's about building a website Google can actually understand. And that's exactly what Car 180 was designed to do.